It is very hard to have an emotionally charged conversation when you're in fight or flight mode or they're in fight or flight mode. So if someone brings up something difficult or alarming, or you can feel your body going into that adrenaline kind of nervous energy, it's a good moment to be like, let me gather my thoughts and let's circle back on this. Or let's shelve this for this phone call. Let's wait until Friday to talk about it. Giving your body time to be calm is only going to help you and them. I have also been in conversations where I am not emotionally charged, but I can hear that they are. Like I can hear their voice kind of quivering, or I can see that they're really emotionally charged. And so I will often be like, you know what? Let's take a little breather. Let's pause for a second. I'm gonna get some coffee. We'll regroup and come back. Second thing is, where can you agree? Usually emotionally charged conversations are because you have two opposing viewpoints. So if you start with, what do we agree on here? Okay, we agree on the final goal. We agree on this point. Let's start there. So bringing the conversation back to agreement can help get through some of the compromise or disagreement. That's usually where I'm always going for, is like, where do we agree on this? And lastly, getting to the next steps as quickly as possible. I think it can be a very emotionally charged when someone is kind of stuck in the back and forth. And if you can't move somewhere, it's like, okay, we're going to have to agree to disagree. What's next steps here? How do we resolve this? Like getting someone to that future mindset is also going to help them be less emotionally charged with what has just happened, especially if it's not productive.
Do you want even more tips on communicating with confidence? One of the fastest ways to achieve more success and more respect is to level up your people skills. If you want to master communication and increase your charisma, check out People School. This program comes with 12 in-depth video modules designed to radically change your interactions, communication, and confidence. You'll start applying each principle to your life immediately. I'll share my social blueprints, conversation frameworks, and fascinating science-based insights. Everything you need to finally understand the unwritten rules of behavior. Ask questions and get personal answers and feedback after every module. Join me for our live monthly workshops where I deliver exclusive new teaching only to People School students. I'll show you exactly what to do to be more influential and impactful in every conversation and situation. Thousands of students have joined People School and achieved their goals. Here's what just a few of our students shared about their experiences in People School. I got the promotion I was looking for. Thanks to the People School team for helping me along the way. What a ride. I have to say that I wish I was in People School way earlier in life. Wow. So much to absorb and can't wait to do it again and again. Since People School, I have never had such engaging and fun interviews in my life. Last Friday, I accepted a senior position with an increase in my total package of $100,000. People School has provided me with an exceptional amount of value and knowledge. I feel that there is so much to offer from this program. I'll be going through the lessons again. Thank you, Vanessa. One of my biggest regrets is I wish I had enrolled in People School years before now. The best part is People School never expires. We constantly add new bonus modules based on student requests. Want a raise or raise your rates? Check out our How to Get a Raise formula. Need new friends in a new city? Check out our How to Find Your People bonus. There are more than 35 hours of material waiting for you in People School. If you want to level up your career, your relationships, and your conversations, I would love for you to consider People School. I read every single one of your comments and can't wait to meet you in our next live workshop. Thanks so much for watching until the end. I'll see you in our next video.